At first glance, the Shine 125-2026 looks simple, but don't underestimate it. This bike is built for daily riders who want maximum mileage, low maintenance cost, and trusted Honda reliability. And that's exactly where it dominates the 125 cubic centimeters segment in India. Now let's talk about what really matters: performance and engine power. The Honda Shine 125-2026 comes with a refined 124 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled, fuel-injected engine. It produces around 10.7 horsepower of power and 11 Newton-meters of torque. The real magic is not just in numbers, it's in smooth acceleration, silent engine feel, and vibration-free city riding. Honda's enhanced combustion technology and improved fuel mapping help this bike deliver an impressive mileage of around 60 to 65 kilometers per liter in real-world conditions. Yes, that makes it one of the best mileage bikes in India in the 125 cubic centimeters category. The 5-speed gearbox feels smooth and precise. Clutch is light. Gear shifts are effortless. Whether you ride in heavy traffic or open roads, the Shine feels balanced and stable. Now let's talk about features. The 2026 model gets a semi-digital instrument cluster, updated graphics, engine start-stop switch, and enhanced build quality. Honda has focused heavily on comfort, long seat, upright riding posture, soft suspension setup, making it perfect for daily office rides and long commuting hours. Front suspension is telescopic, rear gets hydraulic shock absorbers. Braking setup includes front disc option with CBS for better safety. Tires offer decent grip for city use. Now comparison time. When compared with bikes like Hero Glamour 125 or TVS Raider 125, the Honda Shine doesn't try to look sporty. Instead, it wins in engine refinement, long-term durability, and resale value. If you want aggressive styling, maybe Raider is better. But if you want peace of mind, low service cost, and Honda trust, Shine 125 clearly stands ahead. And here's my clear opinion. If your priority is mileage, smooth engine, comfortable ride, and low maintenance, Honda Shine 125-2026 is still one of the safest and smartest choices in India's 125 cubic centimeters commuter segment. This is not a flashy bike. This is a smart investment. And that's exactly why it continues to dominate the Indian roads.